On this iMovie tutorial for iMovie Mac, I'm going to show you how you can screen capture or screen record your computer screen for iMovie. All these tutorials, as you can see, you can not only see me in the corner, but you can also see my computer screen. So first thing you're going to do is actually minimize iMovie. We're not going to use iMovie just yet. Now there's two different programs you can use to screen capture your computer. They're both free, which is awesome. First one is OBS. As you can see, I have OBS loaded up right now. This is the main software and the main program that I use to screen capture all of my videos, whether it's an iMovie tutorial or a music production tutorial or whatever I'm going for. So as you can see, my microphone going here. Here's all the stuff I've set up to record my computer screen. It has obviously that kind of weird infinity type look because obviously this is what it looks like when I'm recording my computer screen. So kind of that, which is kind of cool. So this is the main program that I use. It's a bit more advanced. However, it's incredibly good for recording your computer screen. And like I said, it's free. The second program you can use is QuickTime. OBS, you have to go to their site and download it, but QuickTime is typically automatically installed on your computer. So first thing I'm going to do is go to QuickTime Player. I'm going to load it up right there. I'm then going to go to File and New Screen Recording. I'm going to click this. And as it says here, Screen Recording. Now there's a couple things I can do, but basically I have this here. I'm just going to click Record and then click to record the full screen. Now there's two ways you can do this. One is you just click the button and it starts recording. The second is I can click and drag, so I can do this and record only a part of my computer screen. It's kind of up to you what you're going for. So I'm just going to X this out. I'm going to do this again. Now typically I feel like you do want to record your whole computer screen, so all I'm going to do is click this again, click this, and then I'm going to wait. And then as you can see now, it's recording there. Also, this is OBS as well recording. So now I can do, let's say, a tutorial. I'm like, oh, blah, blah, blah. Here's how to do this in iMovie, or here's how to do this, and whatever. So I can just do any type of computer filming tutorial, or whatever I'm going for. Like say, it's a gaming video as well. I'm going to click stop. And then boom. This is the entire video. So now I'm going to save onto my desktop, just to show you. And I'll just call this like 1. It's going to save to my desktop. Then all I'm going to do is go back into iMovie now. Click the video, bring it in, and now here's how I can edit the video and do more with it in iMovie.